Hey everyone, I'm going to make today mango float. I need graham crackers, 2 mango. I have sweetened condensed milk here and also a buff milk, and we have also heavy whipping cream here. So now let's start to make our mango float. Okay everyone, I'm going to put the buff milk. Then the condensed. I guess I'm gonna put half of it. Then we can add if it's not enough sweet. And add your heavy whipping cream. You just have to blend it. Okay, we're going to cut this off, then just slice it. I'm going to use the glass because this is real help a lot. Okay, what I do, and we are going to slice this really thin. Okay, that's better. You have to slice like that then. Everyone, here's our milk and the mango I sliced already. It's like this, okay? This is the tuna. And then now I'm gonna open the graham crackers. I'm just gonna put this in here. And then we're gonna put the milk on the top of here. But if you are in the Philippines, you can buy Nestle cream. But I kind of found a Nestle cream here, so I'm using the heavy cream and evaporated milk. And now I'm going to layer just layer like that. And then we can put another 1 spoon of cream. Okay. It's not gonna be creamy because it's not gonna be like watery. We are going to put this in the freezer. But this is, I think, a basic mango float or mango graham. And then we just gonna press this and then until it becomes hard. You know, graham cracker is not that hard to make it hard. So now we just put in the top. Making sure that it's not. We're just putting the top. And garnish a little bit of cream. Okay everybody, this is our mango float. The mango float is like a lasagna, just layer and layer. And now we're going to put this in the freezer for about 2 hours, and then we are going to check it after that. Just let this cover. Okay everyone, here's our mango float from the freezer. And you can put it also in the refrigerator if you want. Look at. And we just have to cut this and serve.